everyone, welcome to another travel vlog. This time I'm in Baku, Azerbaijan. Right now I'm in the Fountain Square, exactly the city center in Baku. And it is a very cool and beautiful place in Azerbaijan. It is the capital of the country. And basically it is very expensive as well. I must say it is expensive than Turkey and Georgia. Last night I came here from Georgia. It is raining right now, and last night also it was raining. It's a very cold place right now. So basically I will be showing you most of the places in Baku. So let's explore Baku together. Baku Azerbaijan. It's a restaurant. I'll be showing you some of the attractions outside very soon. So guys, I'm here in my room in Baku. This hotel room I got for $60. As I told you, Baku is expensive than Georgia and Turkey. The same kind of room you can get for $20 in Georgia or in Turkey, Istanbul. So basically I will show you the Baku of the room, and this room has a balcony as well, where you can view some things like the city. See the city view from here. So this is the room, and Baku.
It's so easy right now to tell you that you're the one for me. I've been thinking a long time, maybe we could rewrite our history. So come with me and we'll take on the world. There's nothing that you and I won't see. It's so easy to tell you, baby, you're the one for me. You're the one for me. We've had our ups and downs, that's for sure. I swear I never found something so pure. Right now I doubt if I could want you more. I don't say this enough, but I'll never let you go.
Baku city, and Baku is very crowded today. There are more people, and the reason is simply because There is a traditional festival being celebrated here in Baku, and that is called Nowruz. So there is a whole 1 week holiday here, and you can find so many people on the streets. And that's just because of the Nowruz. People go out and chill out and celebrate it very enthusiastically. So that's simply amazing to see here. Be part of a great festival. And these are the streets of old Baku city. Hey, people are very chilled out today. The reason is simple, because there is Nowruz, which is a festival, traditional local festival in Baku, and this is celebrated in many countries. So I'm just exploring the city. There's so much rush you can see. These people all around. Another famous street in Baku here, still crowd and people. Basically, it is a city of style, fashion, life, and enjoyment, basically. And everything you name it, just going through the streets, the old style, centuries ago buildings and architecture, looking just absolute. exactly looks like Dubai. I mean, everything is just clean, green, beautiful and modern. And I must say that, like you can see this, the beach side, very beautiful, very clean, and you can simply walk and enjoy the time. So you are staying in downtown, the city center, then you can come here to the seaside by walk, just walking. I mean, you don't need to take a taxi or something. Just walk, ask someone, and get here just by walking to the seaside. But I must say, it might be beautiful, looking beautiful and enjoyable in the summer, not in the winter, because right now it is cold. You can see everybody has clothes for the winter, so that's not yet finished, and might be actually enjoying this as well. Guys, today I have come to Heroboard Center here in Baku. It is really beautiful place, really amazing, all the surroundings. You will just see some most beautiful moments in Baku. Here just you can observe, this whole place is just great. But I will be just going inside the museum, which view you can just see from outside. I will go inside and show you what is there. So it is really nice place. You must visit Heroboard Center in Baku. So guys, inside the museum there are two things which are interesting. Like the one is Little Azerbaijan, which you can see in the background, and there is also a museum where you will see all the culture of Azerbaijan on the top there. So I'm gonna show you both of these. I mean, this Little Azerbaijan as well as that museum, where you will see all the characters and the culture of Azerbaijan. So only these two things are interesting here, and the pass to get inside is 15 Azerbaijani mark. So overall, the outside place is much more better than the inside view of this whole thing. Heroboard Center here in Baku. is another attraction just outside the Hyderalio Center. This sign, I love Baku sign. Everybody comes here and take pictures. Just in the background you can see it is a really nice, beautiful sign, and you shouldn't miss this as well. Just come and take your picture to make it a memory of Baku in Azerbaijan, and enjoy and chill. Finally guys, this is the panorama view of the city Baku. Here in the background you can see, and almost every city in the Eurasian region has that kind of view, like the panorama. From the top you can actually view all the city, and this is the case here in Baku as well. You can see just in the background, and there's two buildings which you can see from the city, and now they are just in front of me. Many tourists come here, just you can see in the background, and also the city of Baku here. So this is the best moment, I guess, for the tour.
Yani yaxşı.
So guys, the Baku Azerbaijan tour finally came to an end. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, then give it a thumb. Subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos, vlogs, very useful videos I am going to create. And now I am in Istanbul, and this Istanbul vlog will be more useful. It will be with a different style. So check out that as well. And thank you again for watching this vlog. And I will see you with a new destination very soon.